Welcome back to my channel. I had promised you my simple protein deep conditioner in my full locks takedown video, which I will link in the top right hand corner of this video and in the description box. So here we go. Today I will be using the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils Conditioner. You can use any regular or cheap conditioner that you desire, but I use this because I really wanted to try the Head & Shoulders conditioner in my deep conditioner DIY. If you don't have a dandruff problem, I wouldn't recommend you use Head & Shoulders, but as I said, you can use any conditioner you want. So I will go ahead and measure a cup of that Head & Shoulders conditioner and place it into a bowl. Now I'm going to add hydrolyzed keratin protein, and this one is sheep wool derived. I prefer using hydrolyzed keratin for my DIY protein deep conditioners because it's able to penetrate the strands because of its low molecular weight, whereas using eggs or any egg derived products will coat the strands instead of penetrating them. I will make a video talking more about this, and I will link it in the description box and the upper right hand corner of this video. Also, if you have color treated hair, quinoa hydrolyzed protein will work really well for color retention. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix in my hydrolyzed protein. About 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons should be fine. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix them all together and I'm done. That's it, guys. Easy peasy. If you want to see me using this deep conditioner in my hair, then check out my full locks takedown video or my Instagram page, which I will also link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.